Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making braised venison shoulder with root vegetables. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 3 hours to cook, serves 8 to 10, and is advanced difficulty. Ingredients: 4 to 5 pounds venison shoulder roast, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 onions, 4 carrots, 4 celery stalks, 8 ounces mushrooms, 4 cloves garlic, 3 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 cup red wine, 3 cups beef broth, 2 bay leaves, 2 sprigs fresh thyme, 2 pounds potatoes, and salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Browning. Season roast with salt and pepper. Heat oil in Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Brown roast on all sides, about 10 minutes total. Step 2. Vegetables. Remove roast and sauté onions, carrots, and celery until softened, about 8 minutes. Step 3. Aromatics. Add mushrooms and garlic, cook 3 minutes more. Stir in tomato paste. Step 4. Deglazing. Add wine, scraping up brown bits, add broth, bay leaves, and thyme. Step 5. Braising. Return roast to pot, bring to simmer. Cover and cook in 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 2 hours. Step 6. Vegetable addition. Add potatoes and continue cooking 1 hour more until meat is fork tender. Step 7. Finishing. Remove bay leaves and thyme stems, adjust seasoning and serve. And that's how you make braised venison shoulder with root vegetables. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.